Get to trades, ano yung recommended lot sizing kay NAS 100? So if you're using Do Prime, I'll give you a scenario ha. Siyempre, pag gumamit ka ng one lot, GG ka, di ba? Sabog ka dyan, na one lot na yun. Get to trades, ano yung recommended lot sizing kay NAS 100? So if you're using Do Prime, I'll give you a scenario ha. So bumabagsak yung opening, right? Alright, so ngayon bumagsak siya na how many points? 300 points from the opening, right? 337 points from the current price from the opening. Okay, so ngayon pag gumamit ka ng 0.10, I'll give you an example. Ganito siya, no? Pag gumamit ka ng 0.10 from the 300 points na yan na bagsak, you are negative 300. Pag gumamit ka ng 0.01, you are negative 30. Siyempre, pag gumamit ka ng one lot, GG ka, di ba? O, sabog ka dyan sa one lot na yan. 30K, $10 per lot eh. $10 times 300, $3,000 equivalent mo. So, the question is, magkano yung capital mo tsaka plan mo? So, kung gusto mo nagsisimula pa lang, hindi 0.01 ka talaga muna. Kasi yung move na yan, from opening to current price, $30 yun sa 0.01. Negative o positive. So, you have to learn this asset can move 600 pips, di ba? 300, 400, 200, no? 400 pips a day. So, pwede pa yan. May mga malalaking movement pa yan like ito. From opening, 400. So, from 200 to 600 pips a day.